bunnies, how are you? How is everyone doing today? All right, my loves, I hope we're all doing fabulous. Oh my god, you hear that? That's the ice cream truck. It's so perfect. Why is it perfect? Because I'm gonna show you how to make an ice cream embellishment that is Halloween inspired. I swear to God, I did not plan this. I did not plan this at all. This is like literally coincidence that the ice cream truck was outside. Coincidence, I swear. It's perfect. Okay, I created these really fun, adorable embellishments, and they're supposed to be ice cream. I just love them. I think they turned out really fun and super cute. They're awesome to use as embellishments. They're awesome to use as like card making or even like tags. You can use them as maybe you want to send them out as a happy mail. You're doing swaps. Perfect for anything. So I'm going to show you how to make these, okay? They're so simple to create. I also needed help, okay? Because I am not very good at drawing things. So what I did was I used a template, which is these ice cream tags that I got at Michael's. I used one of these ice cream tags as a template to guide me on how to make these ice creams. Now, if you don't have a template like this, just go into Google a little template, and I'm pretty sure you can find something, okay? Michael also has a lot of different other kinds of tags that have different shapes. You don't have to use an ice cream. You can use any other kinds of shapes that you have. In my case, I love the ice cream and I thought it was really like appropriate, so I loved it. So I used the ice cream template. So what I did was I simply just cut out my template, okay? The ice cream tag comes like this, obviously, right? So what I did was I cut this part out. I kind of traced it and cut it out to make the ice cream scoop. And then I cut out the ice cream cone. And that gives me two parts, so it's perfect. Now, do not misplace your template, because we're going to use this template to make a Christmas ice cream inspired embellishment. Brilliant, right? Brilliant! I know! You don't have to tell me. So what I like to do is I like to give you a little hint, right? Like a little tip. I like to keep my templates all together in one place, because if I need to go back to get something or need to like look at something, I know where to go. So my recommendation is keep your templates all in one little area. Doesn't matter if it's Christmas templates, doesn't matter if it's you know, any other kind of holidays. As long as they're all in one place, it works perfect. Because as you can see, this one template we can use for Christmas, for Halloween, for a lot of different seasons. So yeah, try to keep them all together. It makes your life a little easier, and it really will help you keep yourself organized, okay? So anyway, so what I did was here, once I cut out my ice cream scoop and I cut out my cone, I went into my Halloween papers and I picked out the papers that I wanted to work with. Do that, pick out a few different kinds of papers. I think you should pick out 2 different kinds of prints, because you want your scope to be a color or a certain print, and you want your comb to be a certain print. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be that way. If you want everything to be the same, that's up to you. You decide. Once you decide on what paper you're going to use, you're going to trace your ice cream to the paper, like I did here, and you're going to trace your ice cream cone to another piece of paper, like I did here. Very simple, guys. Just cut out your ice cream shape, and there you have my little cone. Okay, do the same thing with your ice cream scoop. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, okay? You don't have to. People always tell me, well, how did you learn how to fuzzy cut? I didn't. I am not the greatest in fuzzy cutting. Trust me, I'm not. But practice makes perfect. So just practice on your fuzzy cutting, and I guarantee you that eventually it would be like something that you would basically do with your eyes closed. I don't really think too much about it. I just go follow the line, or follow the guideline that I have for myself, and I just fuzzy cut. I'm not the greatest. Trust me when I tell you, I am not the greatest. But again, practice makes perfect. There goes your ice cream scoop. See that? Already we created the ice cream in 2 parts. Boom, boom. Beautiful. Let's put this ice cream together. So here I put I decorated my ice cream with some sequins. Instead of having the cherry on top, I put a little puffy tiny Pom Pom, and then the cherry, which I don't have, I put a small little spider. See that? So the spider is supposed to resemble a cherry, and these are the sprinkles. It's just so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's put it together in very, very, very simple terms. Very simple. Double-sided foam tape, okay? You're gonna add a foam tape right here in the corner, one in the corner, in the middle of your ice cream cone, okay? Here, let me see if I can put you closer. There. Okay. Here, you're gonna put double-sided foam tape right in the top, in the middle of your ice cream scoop. Why? Or ice cream cone, because you're gonna put your scoop right there, and that's gonna create the ice cream shape. You see that? Okay. Just add your ice cream scoop on top, making sure that the foam doesn't show on this end, and there you have your ice cream already. Look how simple that looks. How cute, right? Very simple, very cute. I love that. The next thing you're gonna do, which is what I did here, is just take out your sequins and start decorating your ice cream however you want to do. Here I did my ice cream with like this orange sequins. Here I did it with black. Again here with orange. So just pick whatever color of sequins you want to work with. I think what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to do the orange, because I'm obsessed with this orange sequins. I love it. I have my little sequins over here that are Halloween inspired or related. So let me take out a few of these orange sequins, which I absolutely love. I have so many other colors, but I always go to this orange. I don't know why. I just love the way this orange sequence is. It's so bright, so cheerful. It's just, I love the orange color to it. I don't know why. Okay, let's glue down some of these delicious sequins, okay? Just go crazy. Don't, literally just go crazy. Sequins everywhere, right? Because this is supposed to resemble, it's supposed to resemble, I guess you can say, sprinkles, right? I'm using like a tweezers that I don't use anymore to kind of like help me hold my sequins together. It's a little bit hard because I have my fan, my ceiling fan on, so everything kind of like blows everywhere. And if I shut off my fan, I literally will pass out. You hear the ice cream? You hear it? This is so brilliant. Oh my God, I could not paint this in a better way. Honestly, I could not. You have to admit, that is hilarious, right? The ice cream outside, we're making an ice cream embellishment. That's just freaking hilarious. I love it. So cute. Okay, so add as many embellishments as you want. As many, well, in this case, we're not doing embellishment. We're doing sequins. So add as many sequins as you want to your ice cream. Now you can mix match if you want your sequins. You want to add black and maybe orange sequins, you can. I think that's enough sequins for now. So just go over it And make sure you have all these little glue strings cleared out. Okay. And you see how cute our ice cream is coming along? Okay, what's the next step? Okay, our next step is very simple. Our next step is going to be add a little pom pom right in the center of your ice cream. So I have here my little mini pom poms that are Halloween inspired. I want to probably use maybe an orange one. Okay, so we're going to add this pom pom right in the center. Right there, right in the center. And that's going to give it such a cute look to your embellishment. Now if you want to go back and you want to add more sequins, like I feel like I need to add one more right here, go right ahead. Okay, I feel like I need to add like one more right here. It looks so plain to me, this little corner. So I'm going to add one more right there. Okay, that looks a little bit better. We could add another one there. Yeah, and we'll do that. We'll add one more right there, and then I think we're good. There we go. That looks better. It looks more full. See that? I kind of like that. How cute is that? I love it. Okay, perfect. What's the next step? Very simple. The next step to this is I'm going to add a little sign down here like I did with this one, like I did with this one, like I did with all of them. I added a cute little sign. This one says treats. This one says trick, treats, and boom. See that? And the little sign that I use is the little words from Recollection, and these are just the little Halloween stickers that have phrases. Okay, I'm going to add that right here in the little corner of my ice cream comb. I'm gonna find something that I kind of really like, maybe like Got Candy or Spoopy, Beware. Okay, we'll add Beware right there. See that? Can you see that? Beware. How cute, right? And then I'm gonna add a black little sequins right next to the little sign. Just a little tiny black sequins, just to give it a nice little sparkly look. Just right in the corner right here. I'm gonna go in and add a black sequins right there. And that just gives it a really nice look to the little sign. Perfect. And then the last thing we're going to do is two things. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add the cherry. In this case, we're going to add the spider. I have these spider sequins that I had for a while. You got black spiders, and then you got an orange spider. I love these. These are super cute. We're going to use the black one as a cherry kind of look to our ice cream. And what I want to do is I'm going to add the spider on the back of the ice cream, kind of like peeking out like that. You see that? It's kind of like peeking out. Oops. See, it's kind of like peeking out, kind of like crawling out. And I think that was a really cute idea. It gives me the idea that it might just kind of be like, I don't know, instead of a cherry, you have a spider. See there? And it just looks so cute. Can you see that? How cute that looks? I love it. So cute. Perfect. Okay, we're done. The last thing we're gonna do is gonna add a little bow to our ice cream like I did here. See, I did a little bow right here. I used a very thin ribbon, which is from Michael's. It's gold. It looks like this. I think it was like 50 cents. I'm going to do a little bow, okay? And I like this ribbon because it's very stiff. I don't know if it's wired. It's not wired, but it's a very stiff gold trim. And I do like that. Okay, so make a nice little bow, just like I'm doing here. Not the greatest of making bows, but it would work. I will make it work. Okay, there's one. And then we gotta make this one look better. There we go. So make yourself a nice little bow. Doesn't have to be perfect. My bows are never perfect because I don't know how to make bows. And I'm gonna hot glue it right in the little corner of my ice cream, right there, okay? And then guess what? We're done. Right there. Hold it for a few seconds and we're done. And that is how you create these. I mean, these are so cute to create. I love them. These are perfect to use as gift tags in like a Halloween goodie bag. They're perfect to use as ephemera and maybe like a, you want to do maybe like a Happy Mail. You can add these in there. They're perfect for anything. But you see how simple that was to create, right guys? And then you have your finished look. I just love them. I thought they were so cute. I love them. Now this one has black sequins. See that? Black sequins. This one has the orange. With this one, I made the ice cream scoop out of a pattern paper that has skeletons. Not skeletons, pumpkins. Pumpkins, and that kind of really gave it a nice Halloween vibe. I just thought these were so cute to create. I love them. This one I did a little bit more different. I didn't put any sequins on it. I left it kind of plain. I just put the little, the cherry, which is supposed to be a cherry, but I put the spider, the little pom pom, a little, like a little bow, and that's it. I didn't do anything else with this one. But it's just so cute. It's so cute. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these ice cream inspired embellishments. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about these. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for your sweet comments. Thank you so much for returning back to my channel. I see every single comment that you guys leave me. I try my best to get back to you. But it is really hard to catch up with all these comments. But I love them all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I am so happy that I give you guys a lot of inspiration, and I'm really excited and really just thrilled that you guys like to see these series. Okay, honeys? All right, my loves, I'll see you on my next video. Please be safe, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.